Monro and its family of brands offer expert fleet repairs, from tires to brakes to alternators and beyond, at 1,300 locations in 32 states from coast to coast.
Monro Incorporated is the second largest retailer in the United States. We fix cars, simply put, we fix cars for a living. When it comes to fleets, our national accounts of ours, we maintain fleets of all sizes for all kinds of partners from coast to coast. We have 1,300 locations in 32 states. And we have many brands, which is kind of a challenge, right? We're Monro Inc., and we have Monro Mufflers and Brakes. We have Tire Choice Auto Service Centers. We have Mr. Tire Auto Service Centers. We have Mountain View Tire and Auto Service Centers, Allen Tire Company, CarX Tire and Auto, Tire Warehouse, Tire Barn, Ken Towry's Tire Service Centers, and a few others that are even smaller. We help fleets maintain their preventive maintenance schedules, as well as provide a plethora of automotive repairs, from tires to brakes to alternators to batteries, wipers, bulbs, exhaust systems. We are experts at check engine lights and other dashboard warning lights to diagnose what the problem might be, if it's an oxygen sensor or something as simple as low on antifreeze, perhaps, and everything you can imagine in between.